Ethereum-based tokens are rising lately, and Gala is one such platform based on the Ethereum ERC-20 network as a blockchain gaming platform. It is a decentralized gaming framework that tries to control the players through decentralization. Players are responsible for in-game things and have something to do with Gala Games' guide improvement. Clients uphold the Gala network, and everything inside the Gala network relies upon a player-owned node ecosystem. As of now, over 1,600 players-owned nodes are fueling the Gala environment. To improve the advancement of the Gala network, it has partnered with Brave, Polygon, Flare, Mazer Gaming, Bitrue, and has 90 team members. As time goes on, the Gala Games ecosystem expects to advance to a multi-chain structure, which will enable customers to pick the chain on which they would like their NFTs to exist. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before we tell you about Gala predictions, let's talk about why Gala is holding this much potential to be at $10 price mark. For this, I have 4 points which will clear all your doubts on why we are showing this much trust in Gala. 1. Gala Games price skyrocketed 50,829% last year. Gala is a blockchain-based play-to-earn gaming platform that enables users to earn its Gala token for accomplishing in-game missions and milestone achievements. Players can also create and trade non-fungible tokens, NFTs, in the game or via non-game-based exchanges to earn crypto that can be converted to other digital assets, including cash. The intent is to allow players to become proactive partners with the developers and participate in the profits raised. It's a game-changing business model, so much so that last year Gala saw the price of its utility token soar 50,829%, surpassing other high-profile metaverse projects including Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, and Decentraland. Despite last year's pump, this project still has room to grow. 2. Gala Games plans to launch its own blockchain. In January, the company posted on its blog site that it's in the final stages of launching its own blockchain. The Gala platform currently runs on Ethereum, which has had issues in the past with high transaction fees and network congestion. The Gala post states that migrating to its proprietary network, Gala Chain, will reduce those inconveniences. Our proprietary blockchain is in the later stages of development, and we expect migration to Gala Chain to provide some of the most highly anticipated news of the year to our community. This blockchain has been built for Gala Games. It will drastically reduce network fees and solve many problems surrounding Ethereum that could otherwise inhibit long-term growth, the blog post reads. The posting further predicts that running on Gala Chain will reduce screen freezes, players' expenses, and boost the speed of play, providing a better overall experience for gamers. 3. Gala Games has its own NFT collection and a highly engaged community. Gala Games also has a successful NFT collection at launch that's called VOX, with an active secondary market for individuals interested in acquiring those pieces. In fact, one of its NFTs sold for $3 million last year. The developers also actively solicit feedback from its player community regarding the types of games they want Gala to develop and add to the platform. That type of crowd-based game design, coupled with the previously mentioned revenue streams for playing, makes this an exceptionally sticky gaming environment. The community has spoken, and Gala Games is taking the collective's advice with planned launches this year of a science fiction strategy game, a role-playing fantasy experience, as well as a tower defense game. Gala Games has more than 1.3 million monthly active users, with more than 26,000 NFTs sold since its inception in 2019, according to CoinMarketCap.com. 4. Gala Games is 69% from its peak. Lastly, Gala is trading at $0.22 per token as of this writing, which is a 69% discount from its $0.71 price peak back on November 27 of last year, according to CoinMarketCap.com. The site also pegs Gala's market cap at a surprisingly low $1.5 billion, ranking it number 58 on the list. Given the steadily increasing popularity of the metaverse and NFTs, coupled with Gala's deep discounted market cap, a pump of more than 50 times its current price is possible given its development plans. This is not financial advice, and every investor should only pony up funds they can afford to lose after doing their own homework when considering new investments. However, the underlying trends in Gala's fundamentals make it worth a look for anyone interested in the metaverse. So after this, final talk on Can Gala reach $10 mark. Gala is a computerized token that powers Gala Games and exchanges between the game members. It is a refundable utility token that isn't only transferable between players, yet, in addition, has authority. Gala expects to give a helpful and secure method of installment and settlement for clients that communicate inside the Gala ecosystem. In Gala games, players can possess NFTs. The record proposes that 26K Gala NFTs are sold up till now. Additionally, you can purchase Gala coins through trades like Binance, Uniswap, Gate.io, OKEx, and KuCoin. The value of any advanced cash is assessed by value examination. This is done by dissecting the verifiable records, value patterns, and evaluating the future costs of coins. The equivalent is done on account of the Gala coin to break down its reasonably estimated value and to research whether the Gala coin is profitable or not. Reports demonstrate that gaming is estimated to grow by $125.6 billion, which works in the blessing of Gala. Notwithstanding, all the advanced digital forms of money are profoundly dangerous. However, image coins and coins like Gala are viewed as exceptionally unpredictable. However, the market value expectation considers Gala games fascinating and loaded with the potential to command the notice of individuals in the future. It is additionally assessed that in 5 years before the end of 2026, the average exchanging price of Gala could reach $5. In light of the value forecast, it is assumed that the Gala coin is hopefully a profitable investment in the long run. With the continuous advancements in the Gala environment, Gala is expected to arrive at new heights. Can Gala reach $10? Overview of play-to-earn market. The play-to-earn market is expected to grow to $219 billion by 2024. It is probably less than $10 billion in 2021. Search queries for the play-to-earn market have exploded sixfold in the last 12 months. Interestingly, traditional gaming is still 60x higher than play-to-earn market. The gaming market was worth $180 billion in 2021. The future looks quite positive for blockchain games and players like Gala Games. Can Gala reach $10? Analysis of data. Gala has managed to reach an ATH, or an all-time high price of $0.83 in 2021. It has since fallen but is predicted to reach $0.42 by the end of this year. Gala's current price is $0.21 and a market cap of $1.5 billion. If Gala were priced at $10, the market cap would be $48 billion. The play-to-earn market is predicted to increase by 20-fold over the next 3 years. Even if one were to assume the estimates were off by 2 to 3 years, Gala could be priced anywhere between $6 to $10 by 2027. So the answer to the question, can Gala reach $10, is: given the explosive growth in play-to-earn games, Gala can easily reach $10 in the next 4 to 5 years. Another interesting way to look at play-to-earn games is to look at each gaming platform as a tiny country and purchase and sales inside the game viewed as commerce inside the game. When reframed this way, game tokens like Gala have a much brighter future than most meme and altcoins. Conclusion: can Gala coin reach $10? The technical analysis of historical records shows a positive outlook of Gala coins. Gala has reached the all-time high price of $0.83 in 2021. All these records indicate a bright future for Gala. However, Gala is not expected to reach $10 any soon. Gala has a long way to go to end up at an average trading price of $10. As per the algorithm-based forecasts, the Gala coin is expected to reach the price of $1 by the end of 2022. Gala could eventually reach $10 within this decade, which would see the fully diluted market cap of Gala reach around $350 billion. So that is all we have for you today. Consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.